Staining is a fun part of wrapping up a project, but it can be intimidating. To make it easier, we like to use gel stain. Gel stains are really easy to use successfully because they get absorbed more evenly than liquid stains, so you don't get uneven, blotchy color. To apply gel stain effectively, start by covering the whole surface using a rag or a foam brush. Make sure you cover the entire panel you are staining at one time. If you stop partway, the stain can dry and you'll get a visible line or lap mark where the dry and wet stain meet. Make sure you're applying plenty of stain, but you don't need to leave a lot of excess on the surface. Let the stain sit for a couple of minutes and then wipe away the excess. With a gel stain, it's just that easy to create a great looking stained finish. When you're done, be sure you don't wad up your rags. Stain-soaked rags can get hot and even combust. Lay the rags out flat on the concrete until they're dry. Then, the rags are safe to throw away.